Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the case is empty and powered off, then lay it on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Use a thin plastic pry tool at the seam where the hard shell meets the hinge. Insert gently and apply steady, even pressure. Once the tool is seated, work a few millimeters along the seam to loosen clips. Do not force or twist sharply. This reduces the risk of cracking. Keep the screwdriver for later, not for initial prying. After your initial gap, move to the hinge area and locate the clip points by touch. You'll feel slight give where clips sit. Use alternating gentle pries on opposite sides to distribute pressure and free each clip progressively, rather than trying to pop the whole shell at once. As clips release, make sure internal parts remain aligned. If you see resistance, stop and backtrack to the previous clip. This prevents broken tabs and keeps the internal assembly intact while you separate halves. Now that most clips are free, lift each shell half away slowly while watching for any wiring or adhesive still attached. You want a clean, even separation. Once removed, inspect the hinge, foam inserts, and charging port for debris or damaged clips. Replace the shell only if clips are intact. If the shell won't come free, make sure you didn't miss a clip. Reseat the pry tool at that spot and release it gently. Troubleshooting tip: if a clip breaks, stop and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.